Okay, YouTube. So today we have a 2014 Ford Focus. So what we're changing today, we're changing control arms. Reason for that because the tire is eating on the one side. Okay, after I'm gonna show you the tire because when you have that kind of problems in the back, especially this is in the rear of the car, that the tire eating on one side. So you have a two control arm in the back. This is the lower, the short one is the lower, and the upper one is the curved one. Okay, so what happened here, the bushing on these arms are finished. So what happens, so when the bushing is finished, with the weight of the car, it's leaning on the left side. Okay, so the tire is going to be wore on the inside. Okay, and your alignment is not going to be perfect. Your alignment is going to be all over the place. Okay, and the back of your vehicle can swing when you hit bumps and stuff like that. All right, so to correct this problem, you have to put in two new control arm in the back, the upper and the lower one. Okay, to solve that problem. Well, to change this bushing, to change the arm is not anything difficult, but depends how long it's there. It can be jammed, and you might have to have a torch to release the nut from the bushing, because sometimes the bolt they jam in the bushing. So sometimes you need to heat it up. You can see all this rubber is all gone, so you can see that this bushing is come right out. Okay, so this can even make noise when you hit big bumps and stuff like that. That can make noise. All right. So to take it out, you need a Allen key and a number 17, number 15. Okay, to take that out. And if you're doing it on the floor like what I'm doing here, you're gonna need to put a stand for safety, and then you put the jack on the here. You can go up and down to line up back the hole on your bushing. Okay, so the only difficult thing you might have with this situation is if you have if the bolt is jammed. Okay, if the bolt jammed, you might have a hard time. The left side in the rear is a little bit more easy than the right side, because the right side you have the gas tank. You have to be careful with that if you have to heat up anything. Okay, and you have the hose for the anti-pollution system, the canister. Everything is at the back there, so you got to be very careful in putting fire at the back there for heat up the bolt. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the rear on the tire. Okay, so as you can see the tire, okay, see this tire is eating on one side. This is what happens when the bushing is finished. So anytime you have a situation like this on the back of 90% of the cars, you know that your bushing is finished in the back, and your alignment is going to be off. Your car is going to be rolling on one side, and your tire is going to hit only on one side. Okay, and depends how bad or how long you're going to drive on this, you're going to just ruin all your tires that you put inside. And the only way to correct this is to change your upper and lower table and check if there's any more arm there. You have a next arm, that's the main arm. That one is on the shock. Go to the subframe. All of them go to the subframe. Okay, but these are the two main ones that give you that problem. Alright, so I hope that this video will make you understand about your tire eating on one side and the way to correct this one here, because if you go to alignment, they wouldn't do it unless you change your upper and lower table. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.